Hello friends, today we will do the third lesson from Vista's book, Should Wizard Hit Mommy, written by John Updike. In this lesson, there are two main dominant characters. One is Jack and his daughter Joan. Every evening, Jack would tell his daughter Jo a self-composed story. This custom began when she was 2 years old. The bedtime storytelling had little variation each time. His story had a central character named Roger. Each time of his story was told by adding, it can be Roger Fish, Roger Squirrel, Roger Chipmunk. But Roger name remained as permanent name. Beside Roger, he would add any other name in order to create a story out of his mind. That Saturday evening, he did not have any story in his mind, since his mind was engaged in helping out his wife Claire in painting the furniture. So he asked his daughter which story he should tell her so that she sleeps. So she says, Roger Skunk. The skunk name she must have heard in her class. Skunks are the animals, small creatures who smell very bad. Jack makes up a story saying Roger Skunk was smelling very bad and other creatures ran away from him because he smelled very bad. They would call him Stinky Skunk. That made Roger Skunk feel very bad and he started crying. Tears rolled down from his eyes. As he was walking in the woods, very sad, he meets a wise old owl. And wise old owl, as usual, would advise all other creatures whenever they had some problem. He would guide them to go to an wizard. Roger Skunk tells wise owl to help him out to get rid of this bad smell into good one. Owl suggested to go to an wizard. Wizard would change with his magic wand. Roger Skunk decides to go to an wizard. Wizard asks him, which smell do you like? And he says, I wish to have rose smell. He takes his magic wand and says some mantra type, and then he changes him from bad smell to rose smell. Roger Skunk feels very happy and wizard charges him 7 pennies, 7 rupees. Roger Skunk had only 4 pennies. And he was again sad because he did not have sufficient money. Wizard tells him to go to a well. There he would find another 3 pennies. He goes running and fetches the 3 pennies and runs back to give to wizard. And he runs back into the woods very happily because he knew now all the other creatures would come and play with him. When he goes there, other creatures were all round him because he smelled very good, smelled like roses. Others played with him whole day, and it was almost evening. Other creatures went back to their mummies. So also Roger Skunk. Roger Skunk, when he went back to his home, his mother said, "Which awful smell that is coming here?" And Roger Skunk says, "It is me, I'm smelling like roses." And she gets very annoyed. She asks him, "Who made you in this manner?" And he says, "It's Wizard." She gets very angry, drags him and takes him back to Wizard, and she carries an umbrella. When she goes there, she hits Wizard with her umbrella and makes him to change back to original self. Wizard changes Roger Skunk into original smell. And Jack gets very frustrated to tell further stories because he gets exhausted. He needs to go and help his wife in painting. But the girl couldn't sleep. She wanted to carry on the story still further. The girl gets up and says, she gets also a little bit annoyed with the mother because she hit Wizard on the head. She wanted the Wizard to hit back the mummy because she thinks if he smells very bad, other creatures would not play with him. And then she asked her father. She was more curious. She was not sleeping. She asked her father, other creatures, did they play with him or they left him alone? He says no, they will play with him because they will get used to the smell of Roger Skunk. Now at the end he says, Roger Skunk did not mind to change himself back to original smell because he loved his mother much than other creatures. Jack tells one of his own experience of his lifetime. During his childhood, he must have experienced such incidents. Therefore, he narrates into the form of Roger Skunk. But the girl was so curious, she wanted the story to be ended in different way. And here it is said, Skunk protested that all the other animals would run away. She said she used to smell the way a little skunk should have. She took an umbrella and went to the Wizard, Roger Skunk, and hit the Wizard right on the head. That is the mother she is doing because she was annoyed. The girl feels that Roger Skunk's mother was unable to understand that other creatures don't play with him. She wanted that other creatures would play with him and Roger Skunk would play happily with the other creatures. This is the end of this story. I hope you understood. I'm going to give you some questions which may help you to do your paper well. What was the basic tale on which Jack based his story? The tale which Jack told Joe was a small creature, an elephant, a crocodile or a skunk, who was made fun of by other animals. Somebody suggested him to take a problem to an owl. The owl sent him to Wizard, who would solve the problem within a second. But Wizard asked them to pay his fees. The next question is, what is Jack trying to tell Joe through the skunk story? What is Joe's reaction? Through the story, Jack is trying to tell his daughter that one must be comfortable in their own skin and eventually people will accept you as you are. Jo is unhappy with the story as she wants Roger's skunk to be accepted by the other animals so he can join in their play. Also, he is trying to give the message that mother is always right. I hope you understood this story, Should Wizard Hit Mommy? Wish you all the best. Do well in your exam. Thank you.